What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My buddy Andrew here. He actually has a really sick car. We'll check out in a little bit that he's building. But today, the GTR gets some more carbon fiber. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, TikTok, you guys know what I got. Let's check it out. So I just got home and saw this on the front porch. Oh, cat, stay there. Oh, snap. Oh, my Sibon hood, dude. I thought I was going to get a phone call, so I wanted to go grab lunch, and I came back and then sit on the front porch. I'm super freaked out. Oh, I hope it's in good shape. I'm so afraid of something happening to it. Oh, yes. Sibon carbon. Ooh. Man. Let's take it inside and check it out. Ooh. I am so freaking excited. I've been waiting for almost 4 months for this thing. Oh my goodness. You guys that have been watching the channel, you know how much I've wanted a carbon hood for like so long. So I'm super excited. Ooh. So far the packing looks fantastic. What's this? Important information sheet here. They sent me a sticker. Like colored directions. That's pretty cool. So excited. Let's lay it back down. There's a lot of layers here. I really like the Sibon paper. Oh, holy crap. Woo! Dude, that looks so good. Oh, it has a freaking extension for the hood. The hood lip, or bonnet lip as they call it. So I don't have to buy that. That's awesome. First we're gonna move the Eclipse out of the way. Now we'll grab the GTR. Alright, so we got both the cars out. You guys know that I've had this hood since I bought the car, and it's over the last 4 years it's kind of gone to crap. You can see this is just an OEM hood with a vent installed, but all this like waterproof tape and stuff is coming up, and the hood's fading, and it just looks bad. So we're gonna replace this with a new Sibon carbon fiber hood today. Let's go. Yo, check it out. Super stoked. Man. Holy crap, look how good that looks. And I really wish it's like really overcasty today, so you can't see the carbon fiber, but it's like immaculate. Got the 3 vents. I couldn't find the same D-Max style hood for this as I wanted, but the good news is it comes with a little hood lip, which is really awesome. So go ahead and get this hood up. I'm gonna miss my Monkey Magic sticker that's been on here forever. But it's gonna look so good tying the carbon fiber in with the cooling panel on the grill. It's gonna look so good. A couple 12 mil takeoff, 2 on each side, not a big deal. Apparently the new hood has 10s, so pop this off. I got my sockets and ratchets, and dude, I'm so stoked. Yeah, we just unhook the hose. We have the nozzle still in the hood. We'll take that off whenever the hood's on the ground. Try to grab this with one hand and set this down. I mean, I kind of vote no hood. What do you guys think? Should take it for a spin around the block? I think it looks awesome like this. Yeah. But just so you guys can see the difference. Old beat up raggedy, the new hotness. Finally having carbon fiber hood, guys. Been waiting for like, I don't know, 4 years for this. It's finally here. You see the Sibon badge. You gotta take the hood latch cover off. But look at the underbody. Or the under side of the hood. It looks like it's in really good shape. Like, seems like a really quality product. I hope the fitment is as good as the product looks. So we'll see. So as you can see, we put some old rags in the corners to protect the glass and the fenders. We don't want the hood sliding around and scratching everything up, so or cracking the windshield. It's awful. Oh, man, I don't want to see it till it's all the way in. I'll say let's not tighten all the way, just in case we need to adjust left or right a little bit.
Yeah, I just got mine handy.
Oh my gosh, guys. I'm so stoked. I'm so excited. Yeah. All right. First glimpse. All the same as this one. So the hood's not latching. I wonder if it needs to come forward. Yeah, I think so. Look at that. So we're gonna.
Yeah, it's gotta come forward about half an inch.
Okay, so there's the hood on the car. It looks really nice. I really like the way it looks, but yeah, as you can see, the hood won't latch yet. He's got to come forward a little bit, a quarter of an inch probably, as far as we can, I'd say. There we go. That actually looks pretty good. That's a really good fitment. Holy cow. Yo. So I was scared for a second, I'm not going to lie, but that looks awesome. Hugging the headlights, equal gaps. See the body line, that's really, really good. This is better than I would have hoped for, guys. Oh my gosh, it looks awesome. What do you think, dude?
Pretty sweet.
I love the hood lip, dude. I love this. Oh, I've always wanted, I thought I had to buy an extra one, because most hoods don't come with that. I didn't even know it did.
I just like how you can see your valve cover and everything.
Oh, you can you? Oh, that is awesome. You can see the strut tower there. That's all you can see there. But man, that is so clean. So the sun is starting to come out. The carbon fiber looks so good. Oh my gosh. I know a couple of you guys have hit me up on Instagram and TikTok asking about the fitment. It's not perfect, obviously not OEM, but I'll say it's solid. We got the gaps really, really, really even on both sides. Looks really good. My only thing I'm not 100% happy about is I wish it was, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch longer so it hid the top of this headlight more. It just pulled all the way forward. Like I said, it doesn't look bad. It just, you know, for it to be absolutely perfect, that's all I would need. But no, I think this is for the deal I got on throttle for $1,100, absolutely could not beat that. I think I got free shipping, so that's pretty crazy. Andrew's over here trying to get the squirters out. We obviously don't have the squirters yet. And I know what you guys are thinking. Yes, I am going to get hood pins. They're on the way. I'm too afraid to do it myself. I'm going to slow poke it down to a body shop. I've never done them before. I don't want to damage the carbon. So I'm sure it's easy, but I'm just too scared. I waited for 3 months for this hood. So, but man, that's awesome. Next, you get carbon fiber. You're next on the list. I already got some stuff planned for you. So. Oh man, I'm so happy. Everybody's been asking what I was gonna do with this hood. I'm not sure yet. Might actually make it look really nice and do something cool with it. We'll see. You know, I'm gonna get some rolling footage of the GSX real fast. On the street. Do a little Russian flyby. So much different from my perspective, the different vents in the hood.
Oh, I'm sure.
It looks way less like tall and things. How's it look rolling?
awesome.
Does it? Let's go to the store. I'm thirsty. So now that the sun's out, you kind of see the carbon. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. That's awesome. So we still have to put the squirters in, and obviously I'm gonna get hood pins, so I'm not gonna be driving the car. But let's go ahead and check out Andrew's little toy that he's been building. It's really unique. I know I said I'm not driving the car, but I'm literally going a couple houses down. But look from the inside, if you guys have been watching the channel for a while, you've noticed the hood looks way different from the inside. I do like it. It is really, really clean though. Let's go check out this car. Walked over to Andrew's house. As hot as it is outside, he has his garage insulated, and it's like what, 75 in here?
About
80?
Yeah.
But the inside garage in the middle of Louisiana in the summer, pretty good. So his car that he's been working on for how long have you had this?
About 9-10 years.
10 years. Okay, so this is a what year?
82.
82 Mini, not just a regular Mini though. Check out what is going in it. So it was installed. He pulled out to do some repair and guessing custom manifolds and stuff. But this is a B16 A2, right?
Yep.
So Civic Si. Is it JDM or is it USDM?
JDM.
The JDM B16, freaking awesome. And I mean, when it was in the car, it barely fit. It was crazy. We've got some carbon fiber. This thing's gonna be so cool. I mean, it's obviously torn apart now, but I mean, it's gonna be awesome. Got the subframe out, little Watanabe wheels. That style, at least. I don't know, but I just thought this was really cool. I thought you guys might like to see it. I need to stay on them so I fix it. Look at the size. Check out the size of the hub. So little, like it's just tiny, tiny, tiny. It should be so awesome though. Just thought you guys might be interested in seeing this. I thought it was pretty cool. But that's gonna wrap it up. So I want to say thanks for watching. Big shout out to Andrew for helping. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment as always. See you next time.